What up, YouTube fam? Well, today is a beautiful Saturday. We off to LACR today, baby. A little something further out that way, LA County, you know. And hopefully we're gonna have some good content for you guys. So stay tuned, you know, another road trip and we off. He got to clean his truck up because he done ran through some water, but I don't know. But stay tuned, guys. Deuces. Going up in the Morongo reservation. Go pick up one of the new buddies, Lance. Take him out, you know. It's gloomy back there, man. Crazy. Morongo reservation. Look at that sun, beautiful. That's where all the money is. Look at that. That's where all the money is. Y'all up in that Morongo casino, this where your money is.
All that money, that free money, dog.
This is where your money is, right here, baby.
Free money, dog. I'm about to run a stop sign.
They got cows and stuff. Oh, yeah, whatever that is.
Oh, dude. Better have the red on, you gonna get bucked.
Man. Look at all your money. Oh, man. This must be Mr. Morongo himself right here. Look at that thing. That must be Mr. Morongo. Gonna pick up the landscape. It's that good Morongo money though, huh? They got the Raptors just chilling. LACR, baby, let's go. Look at that background. Beautiful. Got a little pit bike track going on today. You know, got my boy over there, you know. Got my other partner back there, you know. We finna get it in today. Let's go. Yes, sir, baby, YouTube fam. We are here, LACR. It's a little windy, man. Some overcast, but dirt looks good. Look at him. Look at that dude right there. Look at him. You got a new bike?
Welcome to a brief story about renegade. Really just the past and mistakes that I'm finna make. Perfection ain't a thing, something I need to say. Too often I'm distracted by the shit other people say. They're growing into something, and sure if I like it or not. All I know is moving direction, got many stops. Places I despise, places that love a lot. People I can't stand, others make them a Camelot. A lot more to come from the tongue of a nigga with attitude. Easily a short a glass of the water, but add some cubes. Chill me off a bit, I got hot-headed, confused. Ain't a version of my body know how to handle a few. Pick and choose my words, I pick and choose my worth. I contradict myself, but in the end emerge. I'm victorious, kicking bullshit to the curb. I'm back better than ever, don't give a fuck what you heard. Like, do you need me? Do you need me? Do you need me? Do you need me? Hey, do you need me? Do you need me?
kick it down, nigga. You gotta kick it down. You're trying to hit that in like third gear. You gotta kick it down.
Let's go in.
You go into that corner, kick it down one time. You can't just clutch out like that.
I know I can jump this too, man.
Huh?
I know I can jump this too.
Go.
But you still trying to go. Huh? You still trying to go fast. Instead of just going light. Instead of just going light, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you know you started. You know you started to jump high contract. I just don't forget about the small.
That part.
In the blanks. How do you get rid of arm pump? You gotta keep going. That's why I said don't try to go all hard. Just go hard.
Yep, we vlogging. The Q Pine Show.
I was like, man, how much? They try to pin everything. Man, that ain't good. Cause think about it. If you hit a wet spot or a good spot, you gotta get your glove. You ain't gonna be able to. That thing will throw you. Especially if that throw in how they do it. Hey, but I'm glad you liked the bike, though. I got the bike and everything. That was good, huh? Hey, that boy was scrubbing everything. He so scrubbed at his name. You see what he did to the knees that guy. And I ain't even really got no knee. I don't wear knee braces. I wear skateboard pants. You know, I got nothing. I got a sleeve. And we know why you showing out too. Your wife is here. He can't say nothing on that, look. He like, God dog, you like, hey, I was trying to holler at the 11.
He's like, I'm out of here. Sit down, and it worked.
Yeah, 36.
That's a 125, baby. Yep.
Oh, I'm sorry, coupon training. Doing right. Heck no.
You out here deep, baby.
110.
Deep it
Hey, was your 110 better than that? Yeah, it's probably faster. Yeah, look at it, man. So you can jump this. What? Can you jump anything on the back? Oh, that's it. Barely jumping. He had it right there.
Yeah.
All day.
I thought he was finna hit it.
All day.
I thought he was going for it.
He had that with a brake check.
Show him how to do it.
The 11's gonna show us all how to do it.
Okay.
Hey, this is remember how we in the movie Carly Let's see who dang, nobody knows Disney.
Well, iCarly? Here go our boy Lance right here. What you got, Lance?
Dang, I don't like how you keep trying to.
There's no right or wrong way. It's not gonna come off. When? When? At some point? Okay, Jose. What's the date? What's the date?
They don't even know.
We're gonna see 6 months from now. 6 months from now. Let's check out the Pit Bike National. Coming down for you. Popping. Like that. Down over here. Dirt in the house. We out here at the Pit Bike Nationals, guys. Look at these guys, and they are on a roll. Pit Bike City, baby.